Here is the Momeasy electric breast pump. Remember, we have manual breast pumps, electric breast pump. So this one is an electric breast pump. The first thing what you do when you receive your packet, like this, your packet, you come at the back and read about the features and also how to take care of the machine. You can have your breast pump for a very long time if you take care of it in the right way. So you unbox, you're unboxing together the electric breast pump. It's from Momeasy, one of the best brands in the market. So when you get your package like this, you open, you see what is inside. It comes with a charger, an adapter, let me call it. You see, it's just the normal type of the USB on one side. I'll show you how to use it. Then it has these things, these tubes. I'll show you how to connect them. Then there is the most important part of the electric breast pump, the part that differentiates it from the manual breast pumps. Here it is. This the power. This is where now the power comes from, the input and the output. So even when taking care of your breast pump, be very careful not to keep on dropping it. The same way you take care of a phone. Don't keep on dropping it. Don't put it in water. And which other part is there? We have this. Then we have this. We have this part, and this one. Is it right? So how do you connect the breast pump? And how comes it has two bottles? Now, the first thing you should do is to open this part. This lid is used to protect for hygiene. For babies, we maintain hygiene to the highest level to avoid contaminations and diseases. So you open this part and then you take one of the bottles. Here is the bottle. Inside the bottle, it comes with a nipple. You see, the nipple is shaped like a teat and it's very soft. In here, we have a valve, the white valve. Let me show you how to remove it, because when washing, you will remove every part and wash it separately. You make sure your valve is well fitted. Then put your bottle there. There's this thing that you may wonder, what is this? This is just a silicone shield for hygiene and also making it soft for the baby, for the mother when you're expressing milk. The same thing you have done on this side, you do it to the other side. You can use it as a double electric breast pump where you're expressing this side and you're expressing the other side. But for this, if you want to use it as a single, you can as well use it. So the same thing we did to the other side. You make sure your valve, this white part, is well fitted. Remove the lid and you connect the other bottle. Now we have both of them fitted. We are together to that part. Now, this part over here, this is where you are going to connect these tubes. You see there, they are shaped like that. So this, you take one of the sides and you connect here. in this small hole over there. Just fit the tube there, and on the other side you do the same. Connect there. Now we have both of our breast pumps. As you can see, for an electric breast pump, it doesn't have the handles because suction is created using now the electric power. Then this part, come and connect here. This here. And then after you connect from that side, there is this cable and the adapter. You can use any adapter as long as the voltage matches. Connect USB there. Then this part is what you're going to connect to the socket or to the extension. Remember, you can also use this part together with the power bank or any other source of power that you're using. But if you're using it directly from the socket, use this part. Then we have the power. Then you come and fit here at the front side like that. Then the breast pump has various buttons. You see there is the on-off button. There's the one with an arrow pointing down. There's the pause button, the minus and the plus. Now let me show you how they are used. Then you have your cable here, the adapter. Come and fit to your source of power. In this case, I'm using an extension like that. Then I fit there. Immediately you put into source of power. You will see that it returns on. I don't know whether you can see that. Let me. Whether it's faulty or it's not faulty. You see the valve in there. If you want to increase the speed, there's this plus sign here. Press. You see? If you want to reduce the speed, you press the minus sign. You see it has moved to 6. The good thing with Momeasy brands, they just show even on the screen. You see, it's showing everything so you can detect. It is even telling you that there's sanction, frequency. You see, it can tell you the frequency, everything, and milk will now start coming down. If you want to pause, you can press there. If you want to switch off, press there. If you want to switch on, there. Now, how do you make sure that your machine, your electric breast pump serves you for a long time? The first thing is by ensuring that when you're plugging it to power, the extension that you're using is good or the source of power is okay. Then make sure this part of the machine is well kept. Avoid dropping it or keep it away from falling. And then when washing, you can only wipe outside. Just like every other electronic, avoid putting it in water. Then when washing, you disable this every part like that. Remove every part, kando. Remove the valve, remove the lid. You remove everything. Now when it's like this, you can now wash. Every part is separate, then you wash nicely. So that way you will ensure, remember even the folds, that way you will ensure that it is clean and it will serve you for a longer time. Make sure when washing the valve, it's very delicate, don't be rough. Use the smallest brush when washing it. Now, the other part I want to show you is how to connect. You connect the nipple, or how you're going to use it as a bottle. These are the parts. You're only going to take the nipple. You can see the shape of the teeth. It's shaped like a breast, so it's very easy for the baby to latch, and it's anti-colic. We call it a natural nipple. Then you just close. So this way you can use it to feed the baby. Now you're using it as a breast, as a bottle, as a feeding bottle. Then it comes with a lid. Use the lid like that. When you're not using it, you close this part. Or when you're storing it or traveling, make sure you close all those parts to ensure that it is clean, free from dust and other contaminations.